Hi everybody. This is going to be a general collective reading. I have 3 decks here that I'm going to use and pull from. So I hope if you're here you are able to get something out of it. Take these off. Kind of getting in the way of this shuffling. Okay. Oh, I have 4 decks. Did I say 4 decks or 3? Well, I have 3 tarot decks and then a regular deck of cards, so it's going to be no major arcana in that one, but we can still get something from it. And they're popping out at us. The Ace of Wands reversed. I've got 7 of Wands and 9 of Pentacles. Okay. 10 of Swords. Ten of Cups reverse. Queen of Pentacles. 7 of Cups reversed. Okay, and then 5 of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. Before I start, I'm just going to go ahead and take cards from each deck and then begin to piece together a story or message. The Sun. 2 of Swords reversed. 9 of Wands. 7 of Swords reversed. The Popess, that's the High Priestess, but in this deck she's called the Popess. King of Wands reversed. Oh, and she's reversed. Did I say that? Okay. And then from this one, 7 of Cups reversed. I love when that happens. It's the same card that I got, that I pulled from the other deck. The Magician reversed. Seven of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Princess of Wands reversed. So that would be like, I think it'd be the Page of Wands. Oh, excuse me. Yawning. Eight of Pentacles reversed. The Hanged Woman reversed. And Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Wheel of Fortune. And then I'm going to wait and pull these cards at the end for clarification. I'm so sorry. Took a little nap and now I'm more tired than I was before. So down the middle of your reading, there's a Ten of Swords, Seven of Swords reversed, and the Princess of Wands reversed. So I'm feeling like with this Seven of Swords and this Ten of Swords, maybe there were some secrets kept that somebody's really hurt over. You're not able to move things forward in the way you would like because of this. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing secrets because we have the Seven of Swords again down here at the beginning of the reading with Ace of Wands reversed and the Sun. Someone's not being honest, not being forthcoming, keeping things to themselves, maybe for fear of hurting someone else, or someone found out that there were secrets being kept and that's hurting them. With the Seven of Wands, I'm feeling like someone is fighting a spiritual battle, but they do have the upper hand. Like, you have all the tools necessary to overcome the issues that are keeping you in this state of not feeling like you're able to move forward. Someone's trying to avoid looking at something, seeing maybe an illusion that, or acknowledging that something has been an illusion. Trying to avoid acknowledging that, and that could be a reason why you're feeling this way, or you don't want to feel this way. Ten of Cups reversed, I'm definitely seeing that it's something to do with a romantic situation, and also with this Five of Pentacles here. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Um, with this Five of Pentacles, and also the Magician reversed. You're not aware of your own capability to obtain what you really desire. But you can manifest it, absolutely. But you need to be willing to like look beneath the surface at things and be honest with yourself and really listen to your intuition, because your intuition's not gonna steer you wrong, you know. Maybe you're feeling like you're having trouble getting in touch with it, and maybe that's part of the problem, is you really don't know what it's trying to say to you. But I'm feeling like something, maybe a thought pattern, a behavioral pattern, a way of thinking, something's gonna have to be sacrificed for you to move forward and to manifest and create the life and, you know, the love that you desire and that you deserve. Yeah. But you are the Queen of Pentacles, so I would say your medicine is to get out in nature and just spend time just doing nothing and connecting to the earth. And it doesn't have to be like, you know, some big thing. It can just be a little bit each day, like a daily, just like a small, like take a little walk or something, you know, do something that makes you feel grounded and connected, and that'll really help you connect more with yourself as well, and figure out maybe what your intuition is trying to tell you, or give you the what is the word I'm looking for? What am I trying to say? The clarity as to what needs, and the courage, feeling like you can look at it and that it'll be okay, like, to look at this illusion and let it go. Because you have the Wheel of Fortune here. It's upright. So when you get in touch with yourself, you're going to know what to do in order to move forward. Yeah, I'm going to get some cards for clarity. Oh, something came out at me. King of Cups. Okay. Alright. Queen of Pentacles again. Six of Wands. Five of Cups. Nine of Cups. Eight of Swords. Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck, Three of Pentacles. Okay, so you're feeling like you've lost something, and you may have, but don't, like, not all hope is lost. There's still, it's all a matter of perspective. Nine of Cups, Eight of Swords. Nine of Cups is, of course, it's love and emotional fulfillment. Self-realization. It's just contentment, happiness. Eight of Swords is somebody who isn't aware they hold the key within themselves to free themselves. You know, she's blindfolded and there's swords all around her, but she's not. She has the ability to free herself from this place of being stuck. Nine of Wands is spiritual, overcoming a spiritual difficulty, spiritual battle. So that goes well with the Seven of Swords as well. And here's your Queen of Pentacles again. Third Queen of Pentacles card. There are, between these 4 decks, 78 times 3 plus another 52 cards. So, you know, that's your medicine for sure. Is that's what Spirit's trying to tell you, is get out in nature, and then this will be yours. The Three of Cups. That's a very happy card. A card of celebration and of love, just like this Nine of Cups. You know. And with the King of Cups here, there's gonna be somebody. Either it's this person that you're feeling hurt over, or it's going to be another person that's going to come in once you know, take the time to yourself to really go inside and see what it is that you need to let go of. That's going to come forward, and, you know, it's going to be an offering of this to you. And of this, of moving forward, of love. So that's a really sweet reading and a really good ending to this. I really like it. And yeah, I think that does it. That was great. I know it's not super in depth, but I try not to be. It is a general collective reading, but if you would like to book a personal reading with me, I will put my information down in the description, and email me. So, alright, I think that's it. Thanks. You guys have a good day. Thank you for watching.